What's up guys, Code Expert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial. And as you can see, the video you're looking at on your screen right now is totally generated by AI, and this is trending and getting viral on a lot of social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and many more. So I just thought that I would create a tutorial so that it will be really easy for you to create such video in short period of time. So let's watch this video and start with the tutorial without further ado. Alright, so for this tutorial we are going to use a new tool recently launched by Higgsfield called Cinema Studio, and it's a really awesome tool. Just go to higgsfield.ai and click on Cinema Studio. Make sure you have created your account. I have my own account here, and this Cinema Studio is specifically developed for creating short movies and cinema stuff. I've been using this since the last few days, and I really liked the usability, the ease of use, and the quality of output that I'm getting from the Cinema Studio. All right, so I'll just give you an overview of what you can expect in the Cinema Studio. One more thing before moving forward, I have just created my own Instagram account. It's relatively new, but I'm posting a lot of content over it, really amazing content with different prompts and tutorials. So make sure to go to instagram.com/imcodexpert and hit follow to stay tuned. I'm going to link my account in the comments below as well as on my YouTube profile. So make sure to follow, and let's move forward. So there are two tabs over here. First one is image and another one is video. Image is based mostly, I think, on Nano Banana. They haven't publicly stated it anywhere, not that I know of, but I'm guessing it based on the quality of the output. But here's a catch. You have a lot more options here to actually make it more cinematic. So if you click on this button over here, you have different camera options, so you can choose between different cameras, and you can also choose between different lenses and focal lengths. All right, so it's an amazing option, and it's really good if you are a cinema lover or an expert, and if you want to create a professional studio grade movie clips, then it's awesome. Here are some of the images that I have created with the Cinema Studio images, and these look really awesome. You can see this one. I really like this one. So you can see the quality and the details of the image are really awesome. One more thing is that Higgsfield Cinema Studio models are specifically trained on a lot of movie scenes, so you will get almost perfect movie scenes if you want to create over here. And I really like that, because if you want to create some viral content or some movie scenes, then it's perfect tool to go with. All right, so this is the images tab, and the next one is video. If you click on the video tab, you can see that you can animate the images created, or you can create a new video from prompt itself. All right, they have moments, so these are all the camera movements that you can choose. So for example, this one is zoom in and this one is orbit around. So if you want a specific camera movement, then go for this, otherwise you can just remove it. You can choose the duration and the audio, whether you want it on or off. You can also toggle the slow motion and a number of videos that you want to create. So this is the one that I like the most from my usage point of view, because in many cases I don't want a single video, because many of the times I don't like the video that was created. I want to see another angle or another attempt of the video. So it gives me a power to create 4 videos at a time at max, and This really helps me a lot because it saves my time, as well as I can iterate over my creations really fast. All right, and also you can choose start frame and end frame from the as reference images and generate the videos. So here are some examples that you can see. So this one is a video that I created using the image you saw before. So you see the camera movement and everything is really awesome, and it sounds really studio grade. I want to show you the one that I created with the Jurassic Park theme. So here you go. Here is the one with the Jurassic Park theme, and you can see the quality and everything is really awesome. You see the texture, the lighting effect, the raindrops and everything is really awesome. Alright, so let's now move on to the tutorial. I'm going to go into the image tab and attach an image. So let me attach this one so that it will generate consistent characters over it. And I have already created a post on Reddit on how to create selfie with celebrity trend. So you can just go to this post. I will link the post in the description below, and here you'll see the prompts that I'm going to use. So you can just copy these prompts from this post. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it over here, and I'll click on generate. So it will generate, and I'll click like 4 to 5 times so that I will have a lot of options and I can choose between the ones that I really like. All right, so let's wait and let's let the image generation complete. Alright, so now the image generation is complete, and you can see that I have a lot of images over here. The good thing about this prompt is that you have these placeholders over here, so you can keep it as it is to generate some random movies and random celebrities selfies. Otherwise, if you want some specific celebrity from some specific movie, then you can just type it in here, and it will follow your instructions. So let me just drag it down a little bit because there are a lot of photos over here, and let's just trim it down. So this is going to generate some random stuff over here. So you can see in this image over here, this is not a selfie. So the mobile is held in the reverse direction, so we don't want this kind of image, and we would like to delete this thing. So this one is the same. It will also generate some this random stuff over here sometimes. So let's delete this kind of stuff, and I'll just pick maybe 5 to 6 images over here. Otherwise I'll delete all of them. Alright, so I have sorted out the images, and I have kept this 9 images because 9 images are too much, but I cannot delete one more because all of them are really beautiful and I don't want to delete this. I will choose some of them for making the video. So the step 1 is complete. Now we have the images of a character taking selfie with the celebrities, and now we want to convert this into video. Alright, so let's move forward and create a video out of this. So for this, let's again go to the post that I created on Reddit and copy the video prompt over here. So let's go to the video tab over here, and let's choose the start frame. Go to image generations, and you will find the generated images over here, and I'll click on the first one over here and end frame as let's see, an image with Captain America. Alright, and let's paste this prompt, and I'll keep it batch size to 4 because I really want to have some options to choose the video from. You can decrease this size if you want. So I'll just hit enter, and the video generation has started. And let's add another batch. So I'll just remove this. So one thing to keep in mind is that when you want to combine the videos, you want to keep the start frame of the second video same as the end frame of the first video. All right, so we have chosen the end frame of the first video to be with the Captain America. So for the second video, let's choose the first frame as Captain America so that we will be continuing with the video. All right, and let's keep the third one with John Wick, and I'll hit generate. And I'll generate all of these videos over here. It's going to take a lot of time, so I'm going to skip the process. So for the third one, I'll keep the start frame as this one with John Wick, and let's say the end frame with Loki. All right, and you have to stop a little bit because you can only generate 8 videos at a time. So let's wait. I'll complete the generation process by changing the start frame and the end frame, and come back to you. Alright, so I have created a lot of videos, but I removed all of them. Just kept 7 of these that I really thought that were doing justice to the video. And I'm going to download these videos over here and import them into my favorite video editor. So I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve for video editing, but you are free to use your own video editing software. Alright, so the last part is remaining now. I am in DaVinci Resolve. I have imported all of the video clips that I created, and I also have imported a soundtrack to make it some background thing, and I'm just going to add it one after another. Alright, so we have added all of the clips one after another, and make sure you don't have audio with this video, otherwise it will contradict the background music. The last thing is you go to the Deliver tab and choose the destination and file name and just add it to render queue and render it. Alright.